in space, no one can hear you scream. But you'd sound pretty weird on Mars. The atmosphere on Mars is obviously nothing like what we have on Earth. With different temperature, density, and chemistry, it changes the way that sound propagates. That's not just theory, we know what Mars sounds like. The Perseverance rover has 2 microphones attached to it, and it's been sending us recordings ever since it landed. The first microphone here was intended to record the sounds of descent and landing. But it's this one that I want to talk about. The microphone up here is attached to SuperCam, which shoots lasers. It shoots lasers at rocks to find out what they're made of, because the sound that the rock makes as it's hit with a laser tells us something about its hardness, mass, and type. Okay, but what about our voice? Imagining for a second that we could take off our helmets and not die on the spot. What would we sound like? The first major difference is the speed of sound. Because of the extremely low temperatures on Mars, around minus 60 degrees Celsius, sound travels 30% slower than on Earth. The volume would also be much lower on Mars because the atmosphere is about 100 times less dense than on Earth. There's just less particles in the air, and less particles means it's harder to bounce against each other and transmit energy. The type of particle is relevant too. On Mars, it's basically just carbon dioxide, 96%, and this mostly absorbs higher frequency sounds, which means only low-pitched sounds can travel long distances.
Hello from the children of planet Earth. Hello from the children of planet Earth.